Ito guys, round 4 highlights. Panoorin natin round 4. Ito yung tumatak sa akin kay Donaire. Tingnan nyo. Bang.
Donaire is really using
Okay,
that
bang.
distance
Sige.
and reach to his
Kala ko,
full
nakuha ni Donaire yung, momentum eh. Hindi niya lang tinuloy-tuloy eh. Ayun na, putya. Round 6 pataas eh. Biglang nang hina si Donaire eh. Boy counter kasi eh.
definitely caught
Ayun no,
Tsumi's
round 4 yan no.
attention.
Malakas-lakas pa yung mga ano yan. Kamay niyan, ayun na. Oh, tragis ka.
And now they're
Marunong din tong hapon na to eh. Ang pangit ng ano niya eh.
round is about to end.
Ng hapon, ayun no. Ang pangit ng Kenko yung galaw niya eh. Talo pa si Donaire eh. Ayun na. Round 4. Nakatikim. Putragis ka. Yak. Kapit sa ano. Kawawa. Hindi pa tinapos ni Donaire.
Like it's a broken nose. You know, Franco, that's gonna be a problem later on in the fight, making it hard to breathe.
The nose of Seiya Tsutsumi as we are going to look for that punch on this replay. Boom! Right hand towards the nose.
And uppercut to follow.
Follow on the chin.
And that's the problem, Franco. If you get worried so much about the left hook of Donaire, sometimes you tend to forget about the other hand of Donaire, which is the right hand. Just
Which is
add that.
equal amount of power.
If you know boxing and you know Donaire, there's bombs in those hands.
Ito result. 1, 2, 3. Ayun, talo si Donito Donaire. Kawawa.